Hi, today I'm going to help you set up the ChangeRoom Marketplace app. So let's just add app right now. We're just going to accept the permissions and then our payment, which is a 30-day free trial and 15% on every transaction. So in order to get on the ChangeRoom Marketplace, we require all our brands to have meet one of our sustainability requirements. So we ask brands to write about at least one of these before they get approved on our marketplace. So you're going to write a little bit about it and then submit your application. So your application will be in review, but you can do everything except publish products. So let's just connect our account and put in our contact information as stated here, including our email, phone number, and domain. This is what the customers will see. And then go ahead and put in your shop description, a little bit about your brand, and add a brand logo, as well as a returns policy, which you can just copy and paste from your website, and then a kind of estimated fulfillment time. And then finally, put in your free shipping price. And if there isn't, then click the check mark. Our next step is to make our products visible to the ChangeRoom Marketplace by pressing Manage Availability. This allows us to see the products on your store. So you can either do this, but this takes quite a while. So let's go to the product section, which makes things a lot quicker. Here, just select all the products on your store and then add to the ChangeRoom Marketplace. So this does not actually right away add it to the mobile app. We will set that process up later, so don't worry about that. Let's head back to the ChangeRoom Marketplace. We can see we're still under review. However, we can still set up the whole app besides the last step in which the products will be shown in the mobile app. Let's head to product listings. This is where you see all the published products. As you can see, everything will be under the requires review section because the product categories are missing. And you can also see an error which says size table is missing, but we don't require those, so you don't have to worry about that for now. So now I'll set the product category to dresses. Now it should be in the ready to publish section. You can also do this by filtering by tags as well as product types such as dresses. So this product was assigned to dresses. Set it the correct product category, and now it should show up in the ready to publish section, meaning it's ready to go. Now let's search dresses. That's another way you can filter products. Now you can set the product category to dresses. Sometimes it doesn't populate into the ready to publish section and you have to go back and forth. But yeah, here it is, all ready to go. And since now they're in the ready to publish section, all you gotta do is select all of them and then publish to the ChangeRoom Marketplace. And now these are all on the app. Going back to the sizing charts, those are not required, but those are nice to have, and you can add them in the sizing table section. And in the sizing table section, you can create your size chart, add a name, add a size range, as well as add and configure the measurements you want. And press publish and save. And now you have a size table made for tops. So now in the requires review section, or any section for that matter, you can add a size table to these products. And then in order for them to be in the ready to publish section, like usual, you gotta add a product category. So those are tops, so let's set that category. Perfect. You're good to go. So essentially, you're gonna be adding products to categories. And you can keep on doing this with your whole inventory by searching for them, using tags, as well as product types. Shouldn't take too long. Now heading back to the account, after 24 to 48 hours, we should be able to see that the store has been approved. And as well, as you can see below here, that their availability of the products. So there's some products that are published, some that are ready to publish, and then some that are required to review. So now let's head over to the sustainability goals section. So since you have been approved, you should see that you meet one of these values in which you wrote about. Here you should actually talk about how you meet the value so the users on the app are actually able to see what you wrote about. And it's a very transparent experience. You can also apply to other badges which you qualify for, such as third-party certification. And you do a similar process in which you write about how you meet this particular goal. You can submit an application and you will see once you're approved, you'd get an email as well as the value will show up in the sections below. So the final section is the review section, and this will only start populating as users start reviewing things on your app. And you can respond to them over here. And that's about it. The ChangeRoom app is now fully set up and ready to go.